Welcome back. Now you can print a design for poster. So for example, we write hand in poster. You'll see here that there are going to be suggested templates for an 18-inch by 24-inch poster. Going to click inside of that link that's going to bring us to our templates that are event posters. We can choose one of these posters and then edit. So once we've done that, then what we can do is we can come to our link, which says, print posters. And then, of course, we can choose our posters and choose the size, and we can choose how many copies we're going to want of the poster. Once we've chosen our shipping option, we can then click Continue. Canva will give us some editing options. We'll then click Continue. We'll then remove the white edges and then click Continue. We want to make sure that nothing is spilling over into the danger zone. We'll then click Continue. We'll then get a PDF proof for us to look at through our browser. We'll then be able to look at our proof in PDF form, then be able to complete our order. We will then check off the disclosure, then click Continue, then fill out shipping, then complete order to have our posters shipped. Okay, so with that, thanks. And I will see you in another video.